Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm Mohammad Asad Khan and this is my Excel session 22 on going global from local Excel to Google Sheets part 1. And I would request you to kindly go through this session. It will take only 15 minutes most probably, and it will give you a good grip on the topic. And again, as I always says that the sheet on which I would work is available in the description, so you can download it from there and you may practice on it, and practice makes us all perfect. So coming back to my data sheet, so this is the data sheet. The question here is this data sheet I have used it I think in my previous session 9.5. So coming back to the data, uh, again, the way I always start my session with a storyline. The storyline for this session is like your boss came to you and he asked that Mr. Asad, uh, we have just opened uh, like three of our stations in different regions, like in America, Canada, in US, in Canada, and in Germany and in France. So in America, we are already here, and in three regions, we have opened our stations. So I just want you to quickly come up with a solution to have data from there on a live basis, and they are basically purchasing these items for their offices, and they are doing expenditures. So I just want you to come up with a solution. At the end of the day, I would like to have the data on my desk and or on my desktop, on my laptop, or on my Android or iPhone. So please. And then he leaves. So it's a very tricky question. It's a very complicated question that in Excel, how can I meet all these requirements? Yes, Excel is very good in tools, but regarding the covering region globally and providing the services of a server, because we need here three or four main things. One of that mainly is the server. So purchasing cloud server, purchasing space on a cloud server right away, and making making an application which can basically work on that cloud server and getting data from all those three regions on live basis and intimating them at the right time, and doing all this within a day. And at the close of the day, I need to provide the data to my boss. So that would be quite a task to do. So for that very purpose, I think that Google has the very good option for you, and that is the Google Sheets. So Google Sheets basically makes you global from the local. In Google Sheets, you can basically do these tasks. So what we can do is we can now go ahead and we can make the questions answered one by one. So the first question from my side to you is that you should have a Gmail account with you. Gmail account. Always remember. Before doing this, you should have a Gmail account with you. The Gmail account is free right now, and with Gmail account, you will have what you have. You will have an automatic access to Google Drive. So in Google Drive, basically, I will close this sheet. I will close this sheet. Yes, I will close this sheet, and I will open my account. Yes, my Google account. Yes, and see, I have Gmail address, and when you open your Google account, the way I have opened it, you will see this tab, Google Apps. And when you click this Google Apps, so these are the way I have said, these are the prerequisites. You should have a Google account with you. When you have Google account and you open this app, Google Apps, you will have this icon in front of you. That is the Google Drive. This is your Gmail. This is Google Drive. There are so many other beautiful things here, but right now I'm not going to discuss all those. The time is very limited for me, and I will open this Google Drive. So I've opened it, and these are my files and some of my files and folders which I have censored, and I will not show like this is the public data, so I will not show each and everything here. So I will go to the this new tab. See this new tab, I will click it, the new tab. So the new tab is asking, would you like to make a new folder? Would you like to upload the file? Folder upload, Google Docs and slides, forms, so many things. But first you are interested in opening a new folder. So open a new folder, create a new folder. So new folder, what would be the name of the new folder? That could be the same name from going global, global from local, going global from local, going global from local. Okay, and this would be Excel, make it short, Excel to Google Sheets. Okay, so close it, close the parenthesis, create the folder, and the folder has been created. See, this is the folder. This is the folder. Click it, and see here is drop files here. Here's the option. So you can basically drop your file here, your Excel file. You have made it. You have it in your hand. So don't reinvent the wheel. Just basically minimize it, and minimize it. Yes. So you have it here at your screen, the drive, Google Drive. Go on your 20-second lesson, just drag it and see, drop it here. He is the Google Drive is asking for to drop files to upload them. Drop it here. So you have dropped it here, and it's going to, and it started uploading. So it has been uploaded here. Double click it. So up. So right now you are almost 50% global. To become 100% global, we will do some other tasks. So first delete it. You don't need it. This is basically for me. I show it, continue editing. So see, delete this thanks to, you won't need it. Right click it. So this is the delete it. Okay. So this is your main file. So now you, the way your boss has asked, you need to create 3 regions. So what you would like to do is this is the basically the template would be the same. The template has not been changed. It's the same. You will work on the same template. So you need to copy this template in 3 copies. You need 3 copies. See, you need 3 copies of it. So what you can do is you can basically duplicate it. The copy here is duplicate. The way on Excel, on while working on Excel, there is the option of copying it from here, move or copy. You do it here like this, but in Google Sheets the options are bit different. See, so here you duplicate it, you press a duplicate, and it has created a duplicate. Again you press a duplicate, and it has created a duplicate. Again you press a duplicate, and it has created a duplicate. So change the name here. This is a summary. Change it to summary. Okay, and change it to Canada. Okay, and change this to uh, France. and change this to Germany. Okay, so and change the tabs too. You can change the tabs color too here. Change color. You can change it to aqua green. You can change the France to yellow. You can change Germany to somewhat like orange. But one other thing is that you can see that in Excel, the tab colors totally changes. If you change the color of text, it will if you make it blue, it will become the whole blue, and the font will become white automatically. But here the case is not like that. The basically the bottom line of this tab is aqua green. The bottom line of this tab France is yellow. The bottom line of Germany is orange. So these are the few changes, but I think it doesn't matter. It doesn't harm your cause. So in quantity, press OK. The same formula which you applied in Excel, you need to add all these three regions into one summary. So press OK, press sum, and then is equal to sum, and then start the parenthesis. And again, the same way the Excel, it's also asking, Google Sheet asking about value 1. What would be your value 1? So your value 1 will be this one. You are on Canada, so this is take it. Okay, this is on Canada. This Canada is here. So comma, value 2 France, comma, and value 3 Germany, and close the parenthesis. See, all the three values of the three regions are here, 120. Okay, and you can basically the function of fill will not work here. Well, in Google Sheets, the fill function it would not work here. So you need to copy it. You can copy it, and you can copy it, and you can basically paste special is yes here. Paste special, you can press right. You can press your right mouse button, copy it, and after copying, you can press your right mouse button here. Yes, and here is paste special. See, and in paste special, you have options like formula only, format only, formula only, values only. So you can paste formula only. See, the formula has been copied. The formula has been copied. And you can similarly, since these are the same cells, the cells of the summary are the same, which are basically reflected in the Canada, France, and Germany. So you can copy it, and you can copy this formula at expenditure level. So copy it and paste it here, and click right mouse button, paste special, formula only, and yes. And this is how you have done it. So now what you need to do is you need to share this sheet. You can do it two ways. Like first, if I suppose you have, I will tell you within a minute that how you can share it with and how people will enter data. I will tell it right now. People will enter data here. In Canada, somewhat has entered data, live data like 135. And you see in summary it has changed to 115. In France, your representative has changed data to 896. And again, the quantity has increased to 1071. So similarly, wherever they are changing on the sheets, you will have the live data, and you can basically share it in WhatsApp. You can share the link in so many ways. So, and you can open it, and you can enter the data in Android. You can enter the data in iPhone. You can enter the data in your tab. So this is the beauty of Google Sheet. So in summary, you can see, and you don't need to save it. It's auto saved. It's basically the data. It's saved on the server, Google server. So it's the beauty of this. So you don't need to press always Control S. So this is law. And let me close it now, and let me close this sheet and share it. Okay, and I'm closing it. And see, and here is the option: share or copy link. In share, you need to have in share there are two options: restricted or anyone with the link. So you will leave it restricted. The sheets which I have shared with you in my description are basically this one, anyone with the link. So this is for the view only. Only people with access can open with the link and view it, but cannot change it. First you copy it, copy the link, you have copied it, make it done. See, make it done. So you are the basically admin of this sheet. You are the administrator of this sheet. And then just like suppose this is WhatsApp and I have pasted here the link, enter. See, so this is the basically the link to your main file, the core file. So you can basically send this link through your email or WhatsApp to your representative in Germany, France, and Canada, and you can ask them that look, this is the data you need to fill. Your sheet is named with Canada. Your sheet is named with France, and your sheet is named with Germany. So you can fill in the data into that, and you need to fill data whenever you have your transaction done. So it would be minute wise, hour wise, or 2 hour wise, whatever. But at 5 p.m. I would need the total updated data, the closing data till 5 p.m. See, so when they click it like this, they will straight away reach to your sheet. See, see the way. Yes, they have reached to your sheet. So the person in Canada will fill his value, the France will his value, the Germany will fill his value. So this I would like to tell you in my part one, that this is a very beautiful way of doing the things. And in my part two, I will tell you what are the pros and cons of Google Sheet and the Excel when it comes to the tools, availability of tools. And now I'm going to complete my session. And if you like it, then kindly please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and share my channel with your colleagues so they would also have the good information. So thank you very much for watching.